Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to use Chime saving account and grow your money automatically. Let's get started. First, make sure you have a Chime checking account if you don't have open one at chime.com. We will have the option to open a high wealth savings account at the same time. Next, open the Chime apps, go to the settings and enable the savings features. You also in the two option. One is the rounds up. This rounds up every purchase you will make with your Chime Visa or debit card to the nearest dollar and move to the different into your savings account. Or say when I get paid, this automatically transfer 10% of your paycheck into savings every time you receive a direct deposit of $500 or more. Now you can start growing your savings with your money and maintenance fees even when you can transfer money in and out of your savings account as many times as you like completely free. To withdraw money, transfer it from your savings to your checking account in the apps by tapping more money and then select transfer funds. You can then use your Chime Visa or debit card at fee free in the network ATMs. Chime's high yield savings account offers an annual average national average, meaning your savings grow even faster thanks to compound interest. You now know how to set up and use Chime's high-yield savings account to make your money work harder for you. And that's it. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.